Hey, welcome back. We're going to talk about molar mass. Molar mass is simply telling us how many grams of an element is equal to 1 mole. It's very useful information because molar mass is part of one of the conversion factors on that map I showed you. So again, we have that map. I'm not going to pull it out right now, but if you were looking at that map, the mole map, to go from grams to moles or moles to grams, which is the lower left section of the map where it says mass, the conversion factor requires us to use molar mass. So I'm going to show you how easy that is. If you look here on our periodic table, there's a sample right here. This sample element is silicon. Silicon has a little number right underneath of it. All of the elements, pardon me, have a little number right underneath of them. That number is simply telling us the molar mass of that element. So, underneath sodium or silicon, it says 28.086. I know that might be hard for you to see. That simply means that 1 mole of silicon is equal to 28.086 grams of silicon. Interchangeable, they're equal. It's like saying 1 dozen donuts is equal to 12 donuts. Okay, fine. Let's get another example that you might be more familiar with. Sodium over here on the periodic table, Na is the symbol. Sodium is part of the molecule that makes up the salt you use on the table for your food. Sodium has a number underneath of it of 22.99. And if you follow my little example, it says Na is sodium, and 1 mole of Na is equal to 22.99 grams. And again, that's the same for anything. Here's oxygen, a very common one. We're going to use that in an example. Right underneath of oxygen, it says 15.999. Well, that just tells me again, 1 mole of oxygen atoms is equal to 15.999 grams. Okay.